Hi, I'm Karen, and today I'm back in Ramsey Canyon, and I'm going to be hiking the Hamburg Trail. Today I'm hiking to remember my older daughter's good friend, Gary Hamberg, who died on May 10th. I'm heading up to put a special remembrance at the top of an unnamed peak in the area. One of the memories I have of Gary is right after high school graduation in the summer of 2000, I was unfortunately getting ready to get divorced, and so I was preparing to move back to the States. And Kim and Gary felt really bad about the whole situation, and they decided in order to cheer me up, they would take me out to the Hauptstrasse to have a beer at some bar, which I don't remember what bar it was. Anyway, we went down to the bar, we had a drink, we talked about this and that, and it was really awkward to be at a bar having a beer with your daughter and her great friend Gary, who are trying to cheer you up. Anyway, after one beer, I said thanks, that was really nice. I'm gonna head on home. And they headed out for the evening to hang out together. But what a nice thing to try and cheer up somebody else when they're down. And that's a good example of Gary and what a loving guy he was. walked over now about a half mile from the newly named Gary Hamberg Peak to what the USGS identifies as Pat Scott Peak. And Pat Scott's about 200 feet in elevation lower than Gary Hamberg Peak. And now we'll head back on down.